Hi there, students. Tenebrous. Okay, tenebrous is an adjective. It means dark, it means shady, gloomy, shadowy. So, I was attacked by some muggers in a tenebrous alley. I shouldn't have been there. It was the wrong place to go. The tenebrousness of the alley told me that it was a place that I should not have gone. So dark, gloomy, obscure, full of shadows. A dark and tenebrous place. There was a power cut and all electricity stopped, and the Tenebrous city looked frightening and oppressive. So dark, shadowy, obscure. The tenebrous staircase of self-understanding, where you actually get to understand yourself. Shadowy, obscure, dark. The tenebrous world of post-Soviet politics. The old part of the city is a tenebrous maze. The tenebrous maze of politics in the capital. The tenebrous photography or cinematography of a horror film. Okay, a tenebrous still life painting, which is rather dark and gloomy, not bright and full of life. So it's talking about something that's dark and gloomy. Yeah, it's being without much light. A tenebrous night with no moon. It was dusky. Yeah, it was obscure. Yeah, you couldn't see clearly. Okay, in the midst of those tenebrous days, Thomas Paine wrote the words, "These are the times that try men's souls." Okay, so dark, depressing, something that makes you feel down, perhaps. So tenebrous, gloomy, shadowy, the tenebrous world of drug dealers, or the tenebrous world of crime. Yes, it's obscure. It's not something that's clear, or perhaps the my understanding of particle physics is somewhat tenebrous. It's not very clear. Yes, it's a rather tenebrous world. Is this a particle or a wave? Dark, gloomy, dim, shadowy, obscure. I went through the tenebrous corridors, and a light. I could see a light at the end of the tenebrous gloom. Okay, I guess if you are depressed, then you would have tenebrous thoughts. Tenebrous sepulchral interiors of places. Okay, so this word tenebrous, it's talking about something that's dark. It's something that's dimly lit. It's not talking about something that's illuminated and bright. The tenebrousness of this scene makes it very difficult to understand exactly what's happening. It's unilluminated. It's lacking luminosity. It's something that's not really very bright. Okay, this is a literary word. I would give tenebrous a 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, just semi-formal writing, yes, or something more formal, or something literary. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, tenebrousness, tenebrae, talking about the darkness or the shadows. So yes, if you go for a walk at night, maybe you get tenebrous views of the world around you. So tenebrous.